Yep, hi all, to video 3 on the replacement of the headlights. Just a few pointers basically. So first thing is make sure that you swap over the indicator. This comes with a blanking plug like that. So make sure you swap that over. Easy, just twist it out, put the new bulb in and put it in, and it sort of lines up into the right place. Easy. This is no problem at all. The original one had a slightly different fitting. So again, that just twists off, pulls off, change the bulb. Don't touch the lens, it's easy. Leave that adjustment as it is. This one had pretty much the same style here, so that was easy. Don't forget to change over the side light bulb. So I'll just leave it out very slightly with a screwdriver, and then just pull it out gently by the wires, and that came out with no problems at all. So don't forget to do that as well. That's cool. This part here is the headlamp adjustment motor. So what you need to do on your new one here is you just bend this back slightly on the old bit, on the old one, and then you twist it out that way, and then it pulls out from these 4 positioning parts here. Then to insert it onto your new headlight, what you do is you put your finger in here. Don't touch the lens, but basically pull it forwards like this, you know, and then with your other hand you can then slide the ball. There's like a little ball on the end of the adjustment motor. You can then slide it down into that white bit there. Slide it in, and then you can then put it on here, and then you can twist it into place and lock it into place, and then you'll feel it when you do this. Obviously you'll feel it won't move. It'll be solid, else it won't do that. And then of course you can then put it headlight back in the car, plug in the 2 connectors. So the 2 wire connectors here and here. Make sure you put the black plastic covers back on here to keep the moisture out on there. I found on this light here, the 3 bolt holes line up perfectly, but this part here doesn't line up. It's a little bit too far back, this bit here. So probably no problem. I'll have a look and see if I can sort of push it in a bit more gently once the screws are in, so once the bolts are in. But otherwise, yeah, that went on nicely. Just a case of making sure you do that. And obviously, if you do things like LED bulbs I've got in there, make sure that they're like the right way round, you know, in the socket. So put it in, try the headlights and do all the different positions, and obviously before you start bolting it in, you can then adjust the lights if you need to. But yeah, looking good. Nice one.